Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix 100% CPU usage on Windows by adjusting startup, background, performance, and power settings. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus R, type msconfig, and press Enter to open System Configuration. Under General, select Selective Startup and uncheck Load Startup Items. Next, open Services. Check Hide All Microsoft Services and click Disable All. Find Intel VR Content Protection HDC, select it, and click Apply. Now press the Windows key, search for background apps, and turn off unnecessary apps. Then go to Apps, select Startup, and disable apps you don't need. Next, open Task Manager and end unnecessary running programs. Now search for Windows Security. Open Device Security, select Core Isolation Details, and make sure memory integrity is enabled if supported. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Select Manage Settings and check Real-Time Protection. For security, keep it enabled and only disable it temporarily when necessary. Next, search for Delivery Optimization Settings and turn off Allow Downloads from other devices if you don't need it. Now search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. Open it, select Advanced, make sure Programs is selected, then choose Adjust for Best Performance under Visual Effects. Next, search for Services. Find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, open its properties, click Stop, set Startup Type to Disabled, and click Apply. You can do the same for Connected User Experiences and Telemetry, Windows Search, Windows Error Reporting Service, and SysMain, but disabling services may affect Windows features. Now open Control Panel, select Power Options, and click Change Plan Settings. Adjust the display and sleep times, then open Advanced Power Settings and adjust maximum processor state if needed. Go back to Power Options, select Choose what the power buttons do, click Change Settings that are currently unavailable, and uncheck Turn on Fast Startup if you don't need it. Click Save Changes. Finally, search for Windows Memory Diagnostic and select Restart Now and check for problems. Windows will restart and check your RAM for errors. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.